What, ma'am?
You can say there is no, the phrase should be full
Hard.
in the sentence. Okay, phrases by hard and fast. That means there is no hard and fast rule in software courses. Anyone can grab these courses easily. Okay, complete the sentence.
Okay.
Complete. Sometimes you will say the meaning and complete. The completion is main thing of a sentence. Okay, next one I go to
Yes,
in lieu of. Please, Rahima, please you say in lieu of. What is the meaning of in lieu of?
ma'am. Lieu of meaning is alternative. We say that sentence. I can go to market in lieu of go to office.
In lieu of going to office. Of, when preposition will be there. Of, then verb will be
I
ing.
can go to
Verb will
of
be,
going to
yes,
office.
verb will be adding ing. That one also we shall do in the next only. When preposition is there, preposition of is there, then of, with, for, these ones, when we shall be using preposition after, if the verb is coming after the preposition, then ing will be there sometimes. Okay, that's the thing. Next, very good, you have done. Next I will go to Preeti. Please say on the contrary. I think on behalf of. On behalf of.
It means someone supported me or someone support to other. At that time, we use the phrase on behalf of. If someone won the prize, won the first position in their particular field, at that time, that person can use this phrase on behalf of. I won that uh, achievement on behalf of his brother or sister.
Okay, you are here, you see on behalf of means support. Support, that means that support person should be there. That means he talked
Okay.
with me, talked he talked to others,
Okay.
to he talked to him or others on behalf of me. He wrote the letter on
Okay.
behalf of me. That means
Okay.
you are pointing to the person, not to the thing will be not coming,
Okay, ma'am.
the person should come.
Okay. Okay.
My father talked to principal on behalf of me.
Okay.
Did you
Okay.
understand this one? This is
Okay.
the
Okay.
point, on behalf of. That means you are
Okay.
you are getting someone support. Okay, this is the meaning. Did you understand, Rahima?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Next, Rahima, you please say on the contrary. What is the meaning of on the contrary?
He's writing. On means same support.
Okay.
Meaning same support. I can say that like the like sentence. He has done the program. On the contrary, he has done the work. He has done the program on the contrary of her family member.
Very good. Very good. Yes, like this. That means completion should be there. Complete. A complete sentence should be there. Okay. Next, I will go to the next word, next phrase. That is give up. Please say, Preeti. Give up.
Give up means surrender. Don't give up until you don't get your desires.
Wah, wah. Very good. Very good. Don't give up until you get your desires. Very good. Very good. Next, give away. Give away. Rahima, please.
Give away, it means leave. I can say sentence like
That means living with no care. Living with no care. No care also you can add, no problem. That will be more clear to you. What is give away? Caring means caring, loving. But giving away means not to care. Just let it go. This one. Okay. These things is the main thing. Give away. Give away. He gave away the bottle on the floor like this. He gave away so many things in his childhood that she does not care. Like this, like this you can say. Okay. Next, put off. Preeti.
Ma'am, on the contrary, it means do not support. Like
Supportive. On.
don't
On is
support.
there. Supportive. Support. And
Wait,
two,
1 minute.
two is when two is there. When two is there, not support. Not two is not support. On is
Ma'am,
support.
two is not support.
Yeah, yeah.
Not support. Okay.
Put off. Preeti, please say.
On the contrary, sometimes
On the contrary is
Ask-
being told, you please say put off. Put off.
what, ma'am?
Put off.
Put off.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, I'm not getting this.
P-U-T, put, and O-double-F, off. Put off means wear out. Just leaving the things you have used. Put off.
Ma'am, you are asking me for the eighth one. On the contrary, right?
No, put off.
Okay. Okay, put off.
Put off, yes.
Okay. Something or someone commands me to remove something.
Put off means to remove. To remove.
To remove.
Or to wear out.
To remove.
Okay? Okay. Now you make a sentence with this one.
Put off your dress and change it and come to the dining table.
Put off your dress and come to the dining table. Put off your dress is the main thing. Change it is not to add. Okay. Put off means to you are leaving or we are wearing out like this. Okay. Okay. Very good. Next one is to the contrary maybe, isn't it?
Bread and butter.
Okay, bread and
Bread
butter.
and butter.
Bread and butter.
Bread
Okay,
and
say.
butter.
It means a source of income.
Business is his
you
bread and
are-
butter. Okay. His service is his bread and butter. Like this you can say. Okay. I am singing. Singing is her bread and butter.
Butter.
Like this you can say. Any profession you can say, and you can add it bread and butter. Okay. So can say
If you go this company, you may easily give bread and butter.
you may get easily the bread and butter. That means you may get easily your source of income. Is not it? Very good. You are really very talented. Really very good. But one thing before that also I will tell. But please try to make sentence as far as it should be. It should be simple and short. If you are making long sentences, that will be in advanced level. You will be making, but first of all, you have to know how to make sentences simple and short. This one, if you can understand, this one, if you can achieve, then your long run of sentences will be long run. That will be not your problem. So first of all, try to make sentences as far as it may take a short and simple sentence. Simple. In short sentence, you try to express yourself and people will listen to you. Is not it? That's the thing. That's the thing we have to do. Okay? So I think there is no time for us to take other things, and that's why we shall end up here. But before that, I will just request both of you to all the things we shall discuss, and I will listen to you again. That 5 minutes Rahima and 5 minutes Preeti, please say what are the things you have learned today, and mostly not to discuss all the things, really saying what you have learned, that one you just share with me. And sharing is also a part of our speaking English session. Okay, that's the thing. Sharing is very good. So you will start your time. So I will ask you something that whatever we have learned,
Hello.
that you share. Just you first, Rahima, please say in 5 minutes whatever we have discussed today, and within 5 minutes you discussed all the things we have learned, what we have learned today. Please go on.
From past.
Yes.
We had done affirmation. In last class, I absent, so
I was
I
absent.
cannot
I
just.
last class I was absent. Okay, was will be there. This is
I
because this is past. Past tense, was will be there. So I was absent in the last class. So that was missed by me. That's why affirmation is our today's topic of discussion in the first. Like this, you have to say. So what are the affirmations you say in front of the mirror? You just 1 minute, you do it for 1 minute.
Okay. I can speak English fluently. This language is so beautiful and easy also. I can communicate in English easily to my friend or any other colleague. English language is it is so beautiful and it's always used by any other in also like online thing, also Google
Yes,
thing,
yes.
any other.
Yes.
We use English.
Yes, very good.
English is like we can say.
I can speak English fluently. I can speak English fluently. This one also you can say 10 times, no problem. But there should be work. There should be work in your voice works. Okay. So next part, what we have done?
English fluently.
Yes, very good. So Preeti, please say the next topic what you have learned.
Ma'am, you gave us 10 phrases.
Yes.
And what should I explain once
Yes,
again
yes, yes,
all
yes.
the
All the meanings
phrases?
you just explain, and there I shall understand
Only meaning?
how did you have understood.
Okay, okay.
How
Okay.
you have understood all this.
First phrase is my by didn't of.
By
It means
did no, sorry dear, by dint of. Dint,
didn't. By didn't.
D-I-N-T. Spelling is
Didn't.
D-I-N-T. Dint. It's not didn't of.
Okay.
It's dint. It's another word. Dint. D-I-N-T.
This one. Can you explain this one?
By dint of. D-I-N-T.
And T. Apostrophe T.
D-I-N-T. Only T.
Ma'am, is this apostrophe T?
No, direct D-I-N-T, didn't. One word.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Dint. Okay.
Okay. It means affect.
Effort. Not affect.
Sorry, effort. Sorry, effort. By dint of, it means effort behind someone's achievements. Hard and first. It means strictness. The third one is in lieu of.
In lieu of.
It means
L-I-E-U. Lieu. In lieu of.
L-I-V-E or L-E-A-V-E.
L-I-E-U.
L-I-E-U. Lieu of. In lieu of. That means changing. Some alternative is there. If we are finding something and we are not getting, then we have other options to get the alternative of that one. So that we
Lieu
can
of means alternative.
alternative. Yes.
On behalf of means someone supporting,
Yes.
someone support. To the contrary, it means not supporting. Then give up means surrender. Give away means if something has meaningless,
Meaningless
and we are
giving.
just
Meaningless. That means
we
to
are
leave
just saying
with
let
no
it be.
meaning. With leave without care or with no care. That means let it go. Leave and let it go.
Let it go. Yes. On the contrary, means someone something is supporting
Supportive.
and put off. Put off means remove. While we are using remove things, at that time we are using this phrase put off.
Or wear out, you can write.
Then last wear out. Okay.
Wear out. WEAR. Wear out. To wear out. To also you can use. To wear
Wear
out.
out. Okay. Bread and butter. It means source of income.
Yes, very good. So that's all the things we have learned today, and affirmations will be done. And tomorrow we shall be understanding present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, these things, and some things sentence
Ma'am,
making, everything we shall be doing. Okay.
can you take this topic on Monday
Which one?
regarding tenses? Present perfect.
Okay, I will take, but let's see. Today, up to this much, today, how much we have done. That one we will just discuss. We all relocate in our mind every day. Okay, and is tomorrow when there will be class, if there is class. Tomorrow is Saturday, is not it?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
that's one. I mean tomorrow. That means tomorrow means Monday is in the lesson only. Monday is there. Tomorrow means Monday. That does not mean that Saturday and Friday. That's the things. Okay, Friday we shall be doing these two things. But
It is
before
possible.
that, I want to make you understand that some 10 phrases I have given you. That phrases, this one you will do. Make sentence you will do, and this one affirmations you will do from by heart. By heart, that means by heart means what? Of your own, you will be expressing yourself in front of the mirror, and
Okay.
mirror will be there. I will check your mirror after coming at your home directly.
Okay.
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 So that's all. Thank you.